Today, we're going to talk about one exciting project we're doing here at the OSU to quantify how much minimal amount of water we need to grow Bermuda grass in Oklahoma. Water scarcity has been a growing issue. It impacts our agriculture, our daily life, and our community. And turf grass industry is not an exception. One of the questions we have been asked a lot is how much we can safely cut back our irrigation while not impact our turf grass quality. We're doing research to answer this question. Here in this plot is our living laboratory, and we are growing more than 50 Bermuda grass variety to answer this question. Each plot you see here is one of the more than 50 plot variety. And what we do is, from the beginning of the year, we shut down the irrigation to closely monitor the grass performance. Instead of putting them on a routine irrigation schedule, we monitor the overall performance until we see a sign of drought. We put down a quality amount of water to totally saturate its root zone and let the grass come back and no more. And then we repeat the observation and water application process until the end of the year. So by the end of the year, we know which variety can stay longest during a period of drought, which one needs to be watered more often, and which one use a minimal amount of water in the whole year. So we're not exposing the grass in a rain-out shelter or anything like that. We're just keeping them in a natural Oklahoma climate, hot summers, period of drought, and seasonal rain pattern, so we know how they perform, how they respond to Oklahoma's climate. We're not only doing observation, we'll also work together with turf grass breeding. So far, we have seen some big differences. Now, let me show you one example. This is Astral Bermuda grass, one of the popular variety we grow here in Oklahoma. Based on our 2024 data, this variety used more than 13 inches of water in the whole year. And there are a few more in this plot. It's coming from one of our advanced breeding program. It used less than 3 inches of water in the whole year in 2024. That's huge differences. So we're not only using observation, we're combining genetic breeding improvement to generate the next generation of Bermuda grass that can save water, save money, and grow grass in a more sustainable way. This study is not focusing on grow lush and perfect green grass. We're focusing on the functionality of the grass. Bermuda grass and turf grass in general provide a lot of functionality to our environment and our personal life. For example, it stabilizes soil, cooling the environment, and providing a safe playing surface. Our goal is to see how much we can save water to the maximum while still sustain all those functionality. The outcome from this study is going to answer the practical question that can be used for homeowners, golf course superintendents, sod producers, and landscapers, and so many more, to understand what grass can grow in Oklahoma's climate, which one can save the maximum amount of water. Overall, we want to provide information to grow Bermuda grass in a more sustainable way. For more information, please check out this fact sheet.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.